Hello student, welcome to next practical of mobile application development. In today's video we see the practical number 3rd and 4th. Practical number 3rd is configuration Android development tools ADT plugin and create Android virtual device. Okay, so in practical 2 we see the how we can install Android Studio and how we can configure the Android Studio. Okay, then in this practical we create the one virtual device, the application which is developed in Android that you run on Android operating system. So उसके लिए simple we want Android device, either you use your physical mobile device or we can create virtual device. Okay, so in this practical we see the how we can create Android virtual device. So here practical significance is given. Android development tool, there are various uses of Android development tool. Okay, so that are some like we can quickly set up new application project, creation of application, UI, component based on Android framework, API, debug your application. Okay, so these all are the applications of ADT. Okay, we already see the ADT in theory part. So now we directly start the practical, how we can create Android virtual device. Okay, so when you open your Android Studio first time, that time this screen is appear. Okay, so in this screen first select the empty activity. Okay, and then click on next. Okay, here first give the name for your project. Okay, configure your project. So first give the name. In practical 4 we run the program for hello world to display the hello world. Okay, so I give the name here hello world. Okay, then click on next. Okay, language आपको Java select करना है. Okay, by default it is Java. Okay, and then click on finish. Okay, after click on finish you get this screen. Okay, so I already create this hello world project. Okay, so here first we see the what is the various component or various files in Android Studio. Okay, there are main two files. First one is activity underscore main.xml and main activity.java. Okay, so in main activity.java we write the Java code, and in activity underscore main.xml we write the design code. Okay, here there is two options, design and text. If you click on text, that time code is display, and when you click on design, that time design is display. What is design? The component which are created by this code is display in the design. Okay, जो भी component आप create करेंगे उसका design कैसे रहेगा, वो application में कैसे display करेगा, उसके लिए ये यहाँ पे एक screen दिया है. ये आपके मोबाइल के स्क्रीन पे ऐसा वो डिस्प्ले करेगा. ओके, सो these are file. Okay, then where is this file? In Java folder, click on com.example.hello. Here you get the Java file main.xml, and in res, okay, initially it is like this, and then when you click on res, in res layout में आपको ये फाइल मिल जाएगा activity underscore main. Okay, so these two files. Okay, so this is basic about Android Studio. आपको ये दो फाइल में आपको वर्क करना है. प्रैक्टिकल में हमको यहाँ दो फाइल में कोड लिखना है. Okay, and remember one thing, when you create new application, some code is already generated in the in Android Studio. Okay, ये कोड by default वो generate करेगा Android Studio. Okay, so first we see third practical, how we can create Android virtual device, and then we see the how we can run how we can run the hello world program. Okay, so practical 4 is very easy. Why? Because the hello world program is by default in your Android Studio. कोई भी application आप जब new project create करोगे, hello world का program उसमें by default दिया रहेगा. Okay, so first we create the AVD कैसे create करना है. Okay, so here is one option, create on drop down list. Okay, and then click on open AVD manager. Okay, ओपन एवीडी मैनेजर। आपको क्लिक करना है। एवीडी सिंपल इट क्रिएट वन मोबाइल वर्चुअल मोबाइल ऑन योर स्क्रीन, ओके, जिसमें हम अपना एप्लीकेशन रन करेंगे। ओके, so when you work with Android Studio, your system may be slow down. Why? Because it take more space on your disk. Okay, so this screen is appear when you click on option open AVD manager. Okay, here I already generate one AVD, but I tell you steps to create AVD. Okay, so here is one option, क्रिएट वर्चुअल डिवाइस। आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है, क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट वर्चुअल डिवाइस, देन दिस स्क्रीन इज अपेयर। हेयर इज कैटेगरी, वेरियस कैटेगरी, टीवी, फोन, वेयर, ओएस, टैबलेट। ओके, वी डेवलप द एप्लीकेशन फॉर फोन, सो क्लिक ऑन फोन, ओके, एंड देन सिलेक्ट एनी वन फ्रॉम दिस। ओके, I install Pixel 2. All of you install this Pixel 2. Select the Pixel 2 and then click on next. Okay, so then click on next. Okay, after here you can change the name of your AVD. Okay, then click on finish. After click on finish, it takes some time to download your AVD. Okay, I already download, it take more time, 30 to 40 minutes to download. Okay, so I already download the AVD, so I close this. Okay, so by this way we can create download the AVD. And how we can run? So simple, or this program is already default program is given, that is practical number 4, how we can display the hello world. Okay, hello world में आपको चेंज कहाँ पे करना है? सो हेयर वन टेक्स्ट व्यू इज गिवन। टेक्स्ट व्यू इज वन कंपोनेंट। हमने यहाँ इसमें देखा था एडवांस जावा में लेबल। ओके, लेबल इज यूज टू डिस्प्ले सम स्ट्रिंग ऑन स्क्रीन। ओके, जिसने जावा का प्रैक्टिकल किया है एडवांस जावा का, उसको पता रहेगा। ओके, सो सिमिलरली हेयर कंपोनेंट इज टेक्स्ट व्यू। ओके, हाउ वी कैन क्रिएट द टेक्स्ट व्यू? सिंपल, क्लिक ऑन डिजाइन, my system is slow down. Okay, so this is your Android virtual device. Okay, when you click on this button, that time it create your virtual device. Okay, and when you run your program, okay, that time it create one icon on your screen, that mobile screen. Our application, our project name is hello world, so hello world नाम का एक icon create करेगा। when you click on, double click on that icon, that time it run the program. Okay, and this is hello world program. Okay, so simple, आपको क्या करना है? a default program. In next some practical we see how we can create different components in the Android. Here hello world program is by default given in your Android Studio. So simple, we run this. Okay, and text view, यहाँ पे text view में आपको there are various attributes of text view. Don't change any attributes. Okay, then one attribute is text. Okay, so text is equal to hello world. यहाँ पे आपको जो स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले करना है वो आप यहाँ पे चेंज कर सकते हो। ओके, सिंपल, आई हेलो की जगह वी कैन चेंज, आई राइट हियर वेलकम। ओके मैंने लिख दिया वेलकम. ओके then I run the application, restart the application in mobile. Okay, when you change any in the code, that time program is built again, so it takes some time and then it display on your mobile screen. Okay, after completion of this process we get the output welcome on screen. Okay, so this is your third and fourth practical. In next practical we see some extra components like text field, button. Okay, all these component we can create in Android also. So that component, and in Java we write the code for that. Okay, in Android Studio, simple we click on the component and code is automatically generated. Okay, and only we can we change the attributes of that component. Okay, attributes में हम change कर सकते हैं, code automatically वो generate कर देगा. Okay, so remember one thing, student, it is very slow. Why? Because our system configuration is less. My RAM is 8 GB. Since it is very slow, but practical and coding is very easy. Why? Because 90% coding is already there. Okay, so when all process are completed, then we run our application. Okay, hello world. So हमने चेंज क्या किया, यहाँ पे हेलो की जगह पे वेलकम डिस्प्ले किया, तो वो प्रोसेस के बाद वो डिस्प्ले करेगा वेलकम. ओके, मोबाइल, रिमेंबर दिस इज योर एवीडी. वी कैन ऑल्सो इसको इम्यूलेटर भी बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड्रॉयड इम्यूलेटर. ओके, so two files are very important, main activity.java and activity underscore main.xml. In this we write the designing code, and in main activity.java we write the Java code. Okay, so it take more time. Okay, here is all processes are completed, then we run the hello world program. Okay, hello world application. Okay, Okay, so you get this output welcome. Okay, so it take more time. Practically is very easy, but प्रोसेसिंग के लिए यहाँ पे आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा. वाई? बिकॉज सिस्टम गेट स्लो and we get the output, but it take more time. Okay, so thank you. This is our practical third and fourth.